Hey everyone, it's Blake Bundy here from Winning Solutions Inc. And today I will be bringing you guys another Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough. I will be showing you guys where to find the template database on our website, how to download the template database demo, and how to use the demo properly. Most of our templates are not designed to be used on their own. Instead, they are designed in a way that makes it simple and smooth to integrate it into an already existing database that you have already been using. You can also build a more robust Microsoft Access database that is built around one of our templates. If you would like to create a new database that is based off of one of our templates and don't know how or do not have the time to do so, let us know and we would be happy helping you with getting the database that 100% fits your needs. With most of our templates that we offer, there's 3 different versions that you can purchase. A compiled runtime version, one for internal use, and one for unlimited developer use. Our compiled runtime version is a run-as-is version without the paid full version of Microsoft Access using the free Access runtime from Microsoft. It can be integrated into your existing Access application, but you would not be able to make any modifications to the forms, the reports, the modules, etc. This option is more for those of you who do not see any need to make any customizations to the template. Our internal use version allows you to use or modify the databases however you wish within your organization. And last but not least, our unlimited developer use version allows you to use the database template however you wish for any applications you develop and distribute the template as part of a database you create. Winning Solutions Inc.'s templates have a strong advantage over shrink-wrap software that you purchase from a store or website. With our templates, you receive the source code along with your purchase, so you are able to customize and update the database as you please. With shrink-wrap software, you do not receive the source code when purchasing the software, which means that you cannot update or customize the database as you wish. In our video today, we will be working on a demo version of our database template. A demo is a simple way that you can view and try out our database templates so that you can determine if you would like to purchase it or not. This is great for customers due to the fact that all of our sales are final. Our sales are final because when we give you the source code when you purchase the template, and once we give you the source code, there is really no way that you can return the code. If you'd like to test out our demos for multiple days, you are free to do so. All you have to do is leave the database open so that the data you enter will not be wiped. That is because our demos are designed so that once you close the demo, all the data that you have entered will be wiped from that database. You have to purchase the full version if you would like to save your data that you have entered. Upon downloading a demo for one of our templates, you will have to unzip the downloadable file. Zip files make it much easier to send and download large files over the web. Unzipping a file is a very simple step. All you have to do is extract the file so that you have access to the uncompressed file. If you do not know how or do not understand how to unzip a file, check out our YouTube channel and watch the How to Unzip One of Our Files video tutorial to learn this simple step. The link to that video will be in the description of this video. So now, let us get into downloading and testing out one of our templates. We're going to start off here by going to our website at Microsoftaccessexpert.com. As you can see, I have been here before. On the top of our website, there's going to be a toolbar with all the various ways that you are able to contact Winning Solutions Inc. You're going to want to click on the sidebar button on the left side of our homepage that is labeled Database Templates for Sale. A sublist then opens up and you need to select the Database Templates List button to view the list of all of our templates that we offer. The list is broken up into categories. The different categories that we currently have are our most popular ones, appointment and scheduling databases, calendars databases, reservations and booking databases, contact and communications databases, task management databases, equipment and maintenance tracking databases, sales databases, employee databases, education databases, small business databases, and last but not least, database tools and miscellaneous templates. And today we're going to be taking a look at our Microsoft Access Chiropractor appointment tracking database template. So go ahead and scroll up here and go to our appointment and scheduling section. And down here, you're going to want to select the Access Chiropractor Appointment Tracking Database. Go ahead and select that. Once that web page loads, go ahead and download the demonstration that correctly corresponds with the version of Access that you have. I'm going to go ahead and download this one. And once that download finishes up, go ahead and open it. And you're going to want to extract all the files. So go ahead and extract all and then hit extract. Once you've extracted the file, go ahead and open the file. And with all of our database templates, since they do come from the web, your computer views it as a potential security risk or warning. Now I can assure you that this database template is safe, so I'm going to continue on and go ahead and open it. And with all of our database templates, you also get a pop-up box that shows all the different ways and forms that you can contact us. Feel free to contact us whenever you'd like. However, I'm just going to go ahead and close out of that for now. And so what this template really would be great for is if you own a chiropractor organization and you wanted to keep track of all of your customers as well as your appointments. However, if you like this database template but you do not own a chiropractor company and you maybe want to switch it to a different type of company, contact Winning Solutions Inc. and we can for sure do that for you. Alright, so let's get into the testing of this demonstration. So we're going to start off here we're going to add a new customer. And we're just going to add a fake customer for the sake of this demo. We'll name him Bob Smith, pretty generic name. Job title, we'll say restaurant owner. There we go. Email, we'll just make one up, test@test.com. Phone numbers, I guess we'll put in his assistant's phone number, why not? And you can even upload a picture within this form, which is pretty cool. You can fill out his address. I won't fill that out now just since this is a demo. You can add notes. You can add their call history, their appointment history, and even their payment history. So this is a pretty detailed section of this database. But for now, for the sake of the demo, I'm just going to go ahead and save and close this. So now what I can do is if I search for that customer, let's search by the last name. I'll just put Smith. Go ahead and hit enter. There we go. There is that customer that I had just created. Restaurant owner, his email, his name, and everything. So it's pretty cool. So now he's within the system. And so now what you can do is if you were to click the view schedule by day list, this is what this would do is if you wanted to search for your specific appointments on a specific day, you can do that. However, we have not created an appointment yet, so I'm just going to close out of that. And I'm going to view the schedule calendar. So what you can do here is you can view a calendar. You can view it in month form, bi-weekly, so every 2 weeks, weekly form, or even daily form. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to create an appointment for today. Let's do the December 8th since that is today. All right, December 8th, and we'll make it at 8 a.m. You just double click on that time slot. Our customer that we had just created, Bob Smith, chiropractor. Now these chiropractors are just test information that we've implemented in this for the sake of demonstrations. When you buy the database template, all that will be cleared. So we'll put person 1, type, we'll put x-rays, why not? Location 1. Alright, now let's just set the time. We'll say obviously today. Yeah, 8 a.m. is fine. And then we'll make it an hour an appointment until 9 a.m. Don't need to really put some notes, but we'll put test, why not? Invoice amount, since this was an x-ray, it is $75. There we go. And you can even add, if you're going to have multiple workers or multiple employees work on one person, you can add other employees for this. So person 7, we obviously already had person 1, we'll do that. And you can even fill out the way that they're going to pay for this and what date they're going to pay for it. So pretty cool. We're not going to fill out any of that information for now, but we're just going to also select a custom color for this so that we can view it on the calendar. It will be that color. We'll put red. Actually, we'll put green, why not? Click OK, and it makes it green right here. And now once we save and close that, this appointment is going to show up on today's calendar. Look at that, x-ray at location 1. There is that event. If I view it in the month, I can even view it there. So that's pretty cool. And so what I was saying earlier is now if I go back to view the schedule by day list, if I want to view today, which is the 8th, and I run that search, there's that appointment that shows up. So if you want to go day by day and you have a bunch of appointments in a day, you can just search for the day and you have a list of all your appointments that day. It's a pretty cool database, pretty detailed. So I'm going to go ahead and thank you guys for taking the time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough brought to you by Winning Solutions Inc. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to give us a like or subscribe to our YouTube channel for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. Also, feel free to contact us for any of your IT needs, whether you need programming, you want to buy a template, you want to customize a template, anything. Feel free to contact us whenever you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and post our contact information in the description below of this video. Also, you can find us on about any social media website. Feel free to follow us or like us on any of those social media websites. We post quite frequently. Once again, thank you guys for taking the time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough, and have a great day.